How to fix WSL registered distribution failed with error code in Ubuntu Windows subsystem of Linux distribution system. And if such type of error you are facing problem, the first workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search, type security and open Windows security. Here from the left pane, go to virus and threat protection. Here choose scan options and choose full scan. Apply full scan to your system to check all files and running programs on your hard disk. The scan could take longer than 1 hour. Thereafter go to apps and browser control. Here go to exploit and protection settings. Choose program settings and here look for vcompute.exe program. vcompute.exe, expand it and choose edit. Thereafter go to control flow guard cfg and uncheck this option override system settings and choose apply and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type turn Windows feature on or off. Open it and here you will have to work to at first disable Hyper-V platform, Windows hyperversion platform, disable it and virtual machine platform, enable it. Enable virtual machine platform and disable Windows hyperversion platform. Click OK.